Hello guys, this is Isao Lego. Welcome back to part 4 of the Lego Super Mario Starter Course build. Today we'll be doing bag number 4. And today in this bag you'll be getting some platforms, some more platforms, some miscellaneous items like a tree, cloud, some blocks that Mario jumps on and whatnot. So we're gonna crack this one open. Lay it all out. Make sure nothing's still in there. Alright. There. Alright. So the first thing we're going to be building is the blocks that Mario jumps on. So you'll be taking this 2x6 and it puts 2 of these sort of brick layouty type 2x1x2s just to give it a bit of texture, and you're going to do the same thing, like that, just so it sort of looks like bricks. Looks nice detail. And you grab one of these ones, and you put it there, and you obviously do the same for the other side. Put one on it like so, just so it's like that. Alright, and then next part is the middle of the question block, so I'll put that down here. And for this, you get your yellow pieces, that which is a printed question mark brick. It's a little hard to see. Like so. And you get your scan to sit on top of that. Just like that. Just like everything else sits on top. Alright, and then that goes in the centre. That obviously sort of registers it. And now obviously they sit up a bit, so you get a couple of clear bits, put them in the middle. I don't know what these are called, but they go in the middle. And then this grey round piece goes on the bottom just to hold them on, or to hold them together. So that's like the sort of question bit that Mario jumps on and gives him his power-ups. So we'll put that over here. Alright, the next part is the first platform. This is just a small platform. So take your grassland piece and then place just these 1x2s around, just like that. And then another grass piece, put it on top. Just a basic small platform. Put it there next to the question box. Alright. And then the next one is going to be doubled. It's going to be a double height. So you do the same thing, grab a grassland piece and place these blocks all around it. These 1x2s. Just like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab a 2x4, place it in the middle, and then grab a couple more 1x2s to go on either side. Just to give it that step up. Like that. Alright. In fact, this one is actually higher still, and you actually put in another layer, so it's not doubled, it's tripled. I thought it was doubled, but no. Nope, this one's tripled. Alright, so then you add another layer like you do at the bottom, and put your grass sand piece on top. And there you go. That's what we've got for now. Stay there. And then we build yet again another platform, but this is the largest one, I believe. So then place these tall pieces on, like that, and you just place it around, just like you would a normal one. That looks like that, just like that. Alright, and from here, yep, you guessed it, grass sand piece on top. And that is again higher than the last one, as you can see. Let's bring it a bit closer. Each one gets a bit higher than the last. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to build a small little bush. So you grab this piece here, and then you shove two cylinders onto it, like that, to give it sort of your branch-esque feel. And next you grab this piece, this green piece, put it on there. You'll clip in. Alright, and then you grab your cylinder on like that, and another one of these pieces to go on like that. That's just your simple bush, but that's all you need, just something simple. Alright, it's just acts as decoration. So now for not the last piece, but the second to last piece, just a bit of decorative cloud. So you grab a stud like so, and it clips onto there, on the bottom of that, and you grab your yellow bit, put it on top there. From there, we will grab this long clear thing, I don't know what it's called, don't know what half these are called, and put it there, and then grab a cloud piece to put on top of that. I'm actually gonna, put it like that. That's a cloud. Just a cloud. Nice bit of decoration for your course. And now the last bit is a water. It's got water around the base of it. So you obviously grab your big water base and add your 1x2s. Around it, and then you grab a grassland piece and put it on top, like that. That spells out your little grass piece around above water. So yeah, basically in essence, just has a few platforms, some shrubbery for decoration. It's got that power up, which I will demonstrate in this moment, and then a cloud, just for more decoration, just like that. So that's what you get in this bag. Just move it a bit across. This is what you get in this bag. So let's see if I can't demonstrate the block here. So what we're going to do, there, yep, got a star. What it actually means in this, not too sure, but in the Mario games, it normally means you are invincible for a short while, unless you fall. But otherwise, that is Medicine Bag number 4 of the Lego Mario Starter Course. In the next episode, which will be the last episode of the build, we'll do bag number 5, which will be obviously the last bag, because there's no more. And yeah, well, thanks for watching this episode of SO Lego, episode number 4 of the Lego Mario Starter Course. And yeah, like I said, when we come back, we'll do bag number 5. Right. Cool. Thanks.